Let's look at how you can make $5,000 in dividends from a $10,000 investment. If you're new to the channel and want to make money while you sleep, subscribe and click the bell. That way, you'll never miss a video. Let's say you've got $10,000 invested and you're making a return of 5%. That means you're making $500 a year. That means in 10 years, you will have made your $5,000. And yes, I know you're probably thinking, but I don't want to make $5,000 in 10 years. I want to make that money in 1 year. Well, here are some steps you can take to build up your portfolio so you can work your way from $500 in a year to $5,000. Number 1, diversify your holdings of good stocks. Even the best companies can have down years, and if all your dividend income is coming from just a few stocks, a dip in the market can cause serious damage to your portfolio. That's why diversification is key when it comes to growing your dividend income. Number 2, invest in 5 to 7 different industries. While it's true that you can make a lot of money by investing in a single industry, diversifying your portfolio is always a good idea. Just like you don't want to invest all of your money into a single company, you also don't want to invest everything into one industry. By investing in different industries, you spread the risk around and increase the chances that at least one of your investments will be doing well at any given time. Number 3, choose financial stability over growth. If you're like most people, when it comes to your investments, you want to have your cake and eat it too. You want growth potential, but you also want stability. However, when push comes to shove, it's always better to err on the side of caution and go for stability over growth. After all, what good is a high-growth portfolio if it suddenly becomes worthless when the market crashes? Better to have a portfolio that may not grow as quickly, but will still be there when you need it. Number 4, find companies with modest payout ratios. A payout ratio is a metric that measures dividends as a percentage of earnings. A payout ratio of 60% or less is best. Number 5, find companies with a long history of raising their dividends. You want to find companies with a long history of increasing their dividends. That way, you can be confident that they have a strong foundation and are capable of weathering any storms that come their way. Furthermore, companies with a long history of paying dividends are more likely to maintain or even increase their dividend payments in the future. Number 6, reinvest the dividends. By automatically reinvesting your dividends, you can grow your portfolio quickly and efficiently. Not only does this provide you with more shares that generate more income, but it also allows you to take advantage of compounding. With compounding, your dividends earn dividends, which can help you to reach your financial goals even faster. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.